Okay, so a lot of people have been asking for this, and here's a short video on how to draw Naruto. Let's get into it. Draw a straight line like this, and with that straight line, just kind of draw like this little line that pops out of it. Yeah, like this for the eyebrow, and then do this for the same side as well. Next, try to make like this eye shape. Don't overthink it too much, you can do it. Do the exact same for the other eye as well. Put these little two lines for the nostrils. Add this sort of curved line for the mouth. Add the simple ears. Draw this line on top, bring it down. This is for the hair, so just go crazy with it. And that's it. That's how you draw Naruto. And yeah, you can color this drawing if you want to. I'm certainly not gonna do that. But yeah, this was fun, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Comment down below what videos you want to see next. Peace out.